Running a business can feel like you got 100 tasks pulling you in 100 different directions. You need tools that work with you, not against you. Our platform was already smooth, but we knew there were times that you wanted us to be even smoother. So we took in your feedback and gave ourselves a glow up. And this is the new us. We upgraded our design to support you, not to distract you. We tweaked colors and fonts to be easier on the eyes. We sharpened our visuals to help you navigate and flow between touchpoints. But we didn't just stop there. No. We made 140 usability changes too. No just fluffy, pointless look at us stuff. Just sharp, practical adjustments to make your experience even better. So now, when you see our new interface that is more modern, sleek and intuitive, you'll be like, that's nice. Also, we'd like to hear what you think. Drop us a message so we can continue to improve Omnisend for you.